Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And before we get started, I just want to thank you guys for 200 subscribers. It's really been cool seeing that some of you guys enjoy my videos. I also want to apologize for not uploading for quite some time. I just didn't find the time to make some new videos, but I will start uploading more videos in the coming days. In a related note, I'm starting something new on the channel, which is giving people shoutouts. So at the beginning of each video, I'll be giving 3 subscriber shoutouts in the video and post it on the screen so all of you can see. All you have to do is simply like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification icon so you can be part of the bell notification squad. Then go down to the comments saying you did it and add whatever you want to say as well. My Instagram account will be on the screen so you can send me a screenshot for extra proof, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm also officially starting to sell graphics now, such as logos and YouTube banners, all at the low price at $5 each. This came to my mind when someone asked me down in the comments if I could make them one, and I agreed, but for free since this was my first time making a logo for someone else, and I thought it was not a bad idea. Now, the only thing I'm accepting right now is PayPal and probably Google Play in the future, but right now it's just PayPal. So if you guys want one, follow me on Instagram and we can talk things through, but other than that, let's get started with the video. Now guys, I will show you how to make a simple, sophisticated logo using paint.net, which is just like Pixlr, but it's free and you can download it. And link is in the description as well. It's super easy guys, and now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay guys, so now that we're here, we're going to use paint.net, and like I said before, it's a free photo editing software really similar to Pixlr, but you can actually download this one. Really easy to download, really easy to use, and remember the link is in the description, and it should look like this. So I actually have it open, and this is how it should look for you guys if you got the updated version, and it will tell you when there's an update available. So let's get to it. And oh, another thing, if you guys are doing it with me or following me throughout this video, remember you can pause it whenever. This is just a little quick video on how to show you how to make a sophisticated, simple logo for your channel. So yeah, you can pause it whenever. And if you're doing this on Pixlr, basically the same thing. The settings might be a little different, but you should be good. So let's start and make our logo. So we want to click this little tool right here, and we want to go to File, hit New, and our presets for this should be 800 by 800, so width and height 800, and that's the recommending settings for YouTube for your logo. And our canvas should change into this. So I'm going to teach you how to open all the images, all the background we're going to need to make this logo. And of course you guys will have different ones. This is my way of how to do a really simple logo, but you guys can use anything you want. So all you have to do is come to File and hit Open, and we're going to open our background first. And if you guys want to use some of these examples, I will link them down in the description as well. I basically just typed in everything on Google Images. It's really that simple. So we got our background, and we go to File, Open again, and this is basically how you just open all the files you need, all the images. Our second background, or grunge. If you want this one, go to Google Images, hit grunge background. This is one of the options it should pop. File, Open again, and I am going to pick a few of the things I'm going to use to make this background. So this polygon, this one took me forever to find, so I will provide you guys with a link so you can find this easily if you want to use this. So File, Open, and this is actually our last thing we're going to use, and it's actually this little logo that I edited from another picture. So this is pretty much it. So this is our main canvas, and in order to get this background up here is basically you have to select, Control C, go back, make sure your background is checked right here, select, click it with your mouse basically, and Control V to paste. And if you want it to fit, all you have to do is just move any of these little dots, and you hit enter to deselect, and that's pretty much it. It actually looks pretty good. So our next step is adding a new layer. Go to this little layers box and hit this little icon where my mouse is at, and you should be on layer 2. So now that we have that, let's go to our grunge background. Basically select it, click on it, Control C to paste, to copy. Make sure you're on layer 2, select it again, and Control V to paste. And you can adjust it however you guys want to. And enter to deselect. So now that we have that, we're gonna mess with the opacity and all that good stuff. So in order to get to the opacity, all you have to do is come to this little bar up top and hit layers and layer properties right here in the bottom. So you should get this little box. You have to come down to mode and we're gonna choose overlay. Now that we have overlay, we can mess with the opacity. So last time I did this, I actually chose 75, an opacity of 75, and actually looks pretty good. So now that we have that, we just hit OK so it can apply, and there we have it. So now that we have that, we want to add another layer. Clicking this icon, we will have layer 3, and we're gonna go on this little polygon, hexagon, whatever this thing is, image. So we're actually gonna click on it, copy it, Control C, and make sure you're on layer 3. Select it, Control V to paste, and this should pop up. Basically, it's telling you the image is bigger than your canvas. All you have to do is keep canvas size, and it should be huge, but you can take one of these little corners, little dots, and shape it however you guys want to. So one thing, a problem about this software, it actually lags. You see that's actually happening in real life. It's not the editing part. I saw countless videos on paint.net which it lags really bad, but I think that's just one of their bugs. Hopefully they can fix it, but it's not that terrible. So you want to adjust it however you guys want to. That's pretty good with me. Hit enter to deselect, and in order to get this white background out of here, you have to come to this little tool bars and hit the little magic wand and click on the white background. So now that we have that, you should have a delete button in your keyboard, and just hit delete and the background would disappear. If you guys don't have a delete button, I know some computers don't, I guess you have to hit backspace, but I just used the delete button. And now that we have that, we just click on another tool. This should be okay right for now, and we go back to layers to adjust the little opacity and stuff like that. We go to layers, layer properties, bring this little box over here, same thing, go to mode, use an overlay. It should turn black, and you can change the opacity however you want to, and I'm actually gonna use it at 75 again, and it looks pretty good. So yeah, this is our background. This is how it should look right now, and what you want to do again is make a new layer, and you should have layer 4, and we're gonna use this as our last little image for our background. All you have to do is select it, copy it. You guys know the procedure. Go back to our main canvas, make sure you're on layer 4, select it, and paste it. So that actually fits perfectly. I'm just gonna make it centered, a little bit smaller, skinnier, bring it up a little bit, but not that bad. It actually fits pretty well. So I think that's pretty good. I'm not sure, but once you have it however you want it, hit enter to deselect, and that's how it should look right now. So we're gonna also change the overlay, opacity, and stuff of this image. So we have to go to layers, layer properties at the bottom. Basically do the same thing, mode, overlay, and that actually looks perfect. I'm not even gonna mess with the opacity, so I'm just gonna leave it at that and hit OK, and we're done. This is our background. This is how it should look right now for us. That's pretty nice. So it's time to get to the action, to the good stuff. We have to make one more layer, and there we go, layer 5, and this is where the text should come in. So you have to go in your text tool right here, and we're going to use our font. So guys, I'm actually going to use a custom font. I actually found this cool little website, and I think most of you know it's thefont.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys, and it's actually where you can download all these custom fonts for yourself. But basically you just download it. I might make a video on it in the future, but the font I'm going to use is Vermin Vibes, and we're going to make the size 216. So the website is called thefont.com. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description so you can go in, download your own fonts, and I might make a video in the future on how to download fonts for you guys, and it's completely free, by the way. So now that we got our M, we're gonna use the initials MT. Now I actually got that from a previous video, my 100 subscriber special. I was thinking of changing the name of my channel, and I'm actually still considering it. If you guys got any suggestions on what the new channel name should be, put them down in the comments and I'll sure look for them. It's just Madden Mobile Excellence is just generalizing my content, and it's just not Madden Mobile no more, but it's also this little tech tutorial videos. So yeah, I want to change the name, make it basically brand new. So now that we have that, you can put it however you want to. Yours can be a whole name, just one letter or two like mine. And in order, once you got that, in order to take away the text, you just have to hit another tool. And that's basically it. So we're gonna add our second layer. If you got two letters in your logo, that's basically fine. I just added a second layer. Same stuff, Vermin Vibes 216. And MT. So MT refers to mobile tech. It was actually not that bad of a name, but I don't know, I just want more output, more opinion on you guys. So that's pretty much how it looks right now. Basically, to take away the text, just press another one. So this is how it looks right now. And one common problem on paint.net that you don't find on Pixlr is the outer glow, the little outline of the text. And this one you actually have to do it manually, so you have to do it by yourself. There's no outer glow button where you can choose it just like there is in Pixlr. So that is kind of the bad thing, but I mean, I can show you how to do it, guys, but I'll just speed it up the process so you guys don't get bored and watch me do this whole thing. So in order to outline your text so I can pop out more, all you have to do is come to this little line button, the line curve tool, and it's right beside the text tool, so you can't miss it. So it's right here. And basically this is all the settings. Our style, we're just gonna leave it like that. Our fill color, we're just gonna leave it solid color. And our brush width, I'm actually gonna move it up to 4. And that's pretty much it. It's your guys it's just your guys' preference. This is mine. So in order to change the color or pick the color you want, you just want to use this color tab right here, and make sure your primary color is the one you're going to be using. So I'm going to be using a neon blue color, whatever it's called, a turquoise. I'm going to be using this color, and make sure it's your primary color. This is your primary color, the little light blue, and your secondary color is the white. So make sure it's on the primary color. So now that we have that, I might speed this up for you guys so you guys don't have to see the whole thing. But basically, you pretty much do is just press on one of the corner, drag it, and basically you get the idea. Just click on it again. You guys get the idea. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up for you guys, not make you suffer throughout this whole video. Okay guys, so now that I've finished, this is the end result. I know it's not the cleanest of jobs, but I rushed so I can get this video moving on. So yeah, basically this is how the logo is right now, and if you were following every move, I guess this is how your logo should look like. Similar or a little bit different, but however, this is how the end result of my logo looks like. I gotta say, it doesn't look that bad. I could have done a little bit better on the outlining, but yeah, I hope they add that feature, the outer glow, just like in Pixlr. But basically, this is the end result of the logo, guys. So I guess this is pretty much it for the video, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe down there and show your support, guys. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for me, guys. And don't forget, guys, we're all beginners because we can always learn something new every day. So this is pretty much it for me, guys, and see you on the next one. Why am I still up? This is really late. I should be going to sleep. I'm really tired. Oh, that's not even right. Let me undo that.